In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use templates in Gmail. Templates are a fantastic feature that can save you a significant amount of time if you find yourself frequently sending the same types of emails. By setting up and utilizing templates, you can streamline your email process and increase your efficiency. We begin by opening Gmail in your browser. Once Gmail is up, you'll want to look towards the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which serves as your settings menu. A small menu will appear. Make sure to select See All Settings from this menu. This will open a new page with multiple tabs at the top. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll find different features that can be turned on or off. We're interested in enabling templates. Once you locate it, click Enable. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. This will activate the templates feature in your Gmail account. Now, let's move on to creating a new email template. Start by clicking the Compose button to open a new email. Here, you'll type out the content you want to save as a template. Be sure to include everything you need for it to be complete: the subject line, greetings, your signature, and the body text. This setup ensures that your template is ready for repeated use without needing additional modifications each time. Once your email draft is ready, it's time to save it as a template. Look toward the bottom right of the Compose window and click on the three dots, which open additional options. From the menu, hover over Templates, then select Save Draft as Template, followed by Save as New Template. A prompt will appear asking you to give your template a name. Choose a name that will help you easily identify the template later on, then click Save. Now that your template is created, here's how to use it. Open another Compose window in Gmail. Again, click on the three dots, scroll to Templates, and select the template you've just saved. The entire content of your template will automatically appear in your new email just as you saved it. Managing your templates is equally straightforward. If you wish to overwrite an existing template, start by composing an email with the updated content. Click the three dots, go to Templates, and choose Save Draft as Template. At this point, select Overwrite Existing and confirm which template you want to update. On the other hand, if you need to delete a template, click Compose, access the three dots menu one more time, and navigate to Templates. You will see the option to delete a template. Just select the one you no longer need and it will be removed from your list. And there you have it. You now know how to enable, create, use, and manage email templates in Gmail, allowing for more efficient communication right from your inbox.